Hi, Ken here from Ultralight, and today we're going to do a quick video on the cinema arm kits part 1. And on that we have, this would be all the Cardellini clamp kits that we have. So we've got a bunch of different clamp kits with Cardellini clamps. We have them in either the narrow jaw, the wide jaw, and either the 3/8 base like that, or the 1/4-20 base. So this fits a BAHB, and these fit a AD 3816. So on these kits we have a couple that have the cutout clamps that we make, so you can do all kinds of weird things with these. This one comes with the GoPro mount on it. This is really cool. You can mount this on a watercraft, a boat. You can put it on a motorcycle somewhere, mount your GoPro, and it's hands-free. It will stay there, and these are waterproof as well, these Cardellini clamps. So they come in a lot of different varieties, as I mentioned. So one variety is the 3/8-16 with just one clamp and a 1/4-20 ball on the end. We also have them that come with, so all these will come with the 1/4-20 ball, the AC SHD for the small HD monitor, or the ACMB for a larger monitor, which would be, let's say, something more like this. So this will sit down on top of it like that. So all these kits come in the different varieties. You can also get this kit, instead of just this one clamp, you can get it with one single arm, a 5-inch arm. You can get it with 2 5-inch arms. You could get the same kit in a single 8-inch arm or in 2 8-inch arms. And the only difference being really is the mount on the end. So there's basically 3 different versions of each kit. So look on our website. It may sound confusing right now. Look on the website. You'll see all the different kits listed. And if you need one, you can order it direct and you'll be all set. Other than that, happy filming and have a great day.